Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn any pattern into a textured pattern brush in Procreate. Let's get started. Start with your flattened pattern image. Open on a square canvas. Any size works, but I'm using 3000 by 3000 pixels. Now go to Adjustments, Gradient Map, and choose a black and white gradient. This helps prep the image for use as a brush. Next, go back to Adjustments, Curves, and tweak the contrast. Pull the dots around until you're happy with how it looks. Just remember, black areas won't show up on the brush, so make sure the important parts are light or white. When you're ready, go to Actions, Copy Canvas. Then open your brush set and tap the plus sign to create a new brush. Go to the Green tab, tap Edit, Import, Paste, and hit Done. In Green Behavior, switch from Moving to Textured. This locks the pattern in place as you draw. Now adjust the scale. I'm starting with 18%, but you can tweak it later to make the pattern bigger or smaller. Under Rendering, change the mode to Light Glaze for a soft, natural look. In Apple Pencil, set opacity to none. And in Properties, increase the maximum brush size so you have more flexibility. Let's try it out. Yep, I'm happy with how it looks. If you want the pattern to appear larger, just go back to Green Settings and increase the scale. Finally, in About This Brush, give it a name. Add your photo or logo and your name. And don't forget to create a new reset point so your settings are saved. And that's it. You've turned your pattern into a custom brush. I hope this was helpful. Happy creating!